Hi, I'm Sherry Lenzo, and I'm going to talk about making clips with iPad. So take a look at this clip and then learn how to make one. Welcome to Book Banter. Matilda is a book filled with madness, silliness, wild humor, suspense, and intrigue. Written by Roald Dahl and illustrated by Quentin Blake, it's about a young girl who inflicts punishment on her deserving parents for their beastly treatment of her. A cast of other characters abound in this story. This book will delight all ages, from children to their parents. Don't miss Matilda by Roald Dahl. Imagine the possibilities of what you and your students can do with a tool like this. Let's get started. So this is clips, and it's going to be a 5-step process to make a clip. So starting with, in the upper left-hand corner, there's a little file looking button. We're going to open that, and we're going to select Create New. So step 1 is we're creating a new clip. So you really should plan out the clip, write a script, and imagine what you want the clip to say and what you want it to look like, and just plan it out in general. Step 1 is done. Step 2, when ready, you're going to record your message. The pink bar down here is the recording button. So when you press it, it records, and you have to hold it down. If you let it up, it won't record, it'll stop recording. And you can slide it up for continuous recordings, and you can press stop or take your finger off when you're finished recording. So now I have a little recording down here on the bottom left. Step 3, we're going to add a poster. And the posters, there are a lot of them. And so you can scroll through and see what there is here and choose anything that you want to use. If it's the first time you've opened it, it will download it first. Now we're going to type the title right here, and you just touch it and it selects it and you start typing. Now I'm going to put my keyboard down with the little button on the bottom right, and all that's left is to add it to the clip by filming it. So you're going to hold it down for the length of time that you want it to be seen on the screen. So we'll hold it down and let it go. If you don't want any sound, you can mute that. So there's a mute button here. And so how did I get to these? What I did was I just tapped the clip I wanted to do something with, and that opened these other tools. Step 3 is to use a poster, and in this case I want the poster to be first. So I'm going to put it before what I recorded. So now I have an introduction poster, and I could go back, touch posters, and I could do an ending poster. And you do the same thing, you film it, and that's it. So number 4 is effects. How to get to effects. Touch the clip that you want to add effects to, and it opens up these options. And we have text effects that we can add, and you can change that. And then we have sticker texts right next to that. And you can add things. Just touch, wait for it to get big, and drag it up there. And then there are emojis. And you can go and get your favorite emoji and drag it up there. You can also change the size by pinching out and in, so you can make it smaller or bigger. And you can always move it anywhere you want on the screen. So these are going to show up just in, I'm going to close this, just in that first title screen because that's where I put it. Let's see, we're going to preview. If you wanted to add effects to this section, it's going to stay for the whole duration of the clip. So you have to think about that. And then at the end, you can do the same thing. So step 4 was effects. Step 5 is music. And up in the upper right hand corner, you'll see some music notes. Touch those. Go to soundtracks. And there are a lot of different soundtracks to choose from. So you can select any soundtrack that you like, and once you've touched it and you've listened to it, see there's a pink check mark. You can use the go back arrow on the upper left hand corner to put it in there, and then you can also preview it to see if it's the right length of time. And then if it's not, you can find a different one that's either longer or shorter. So now we have a video that has effects, it has music, it has a title screen, and an ending. Those are the 5 steps to making a clip on iPad. Let's review it real quick. There's one last thing, and that is sharing it. You need to know how you're going to share it with someone else. So in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the share button. It opens up to this window of choices, and you can share with Google Drive, with Google Classroom, with Seesaw. There are a few options there. And then down below in that list, export project, and then below that is save video, where you can save it to your photo library. And that's everything. Make a good clip now. Thank you for watching.